And to go with the steak, we have Italian bread, butter, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese with an ample coating. Place this under the broiler until it's golden brown and serve it up nice and warm. And now we're going to get back to the steak. Okay, folks, here's a quick, easy meal. Taking a 16 to 18 ounce steak. This is Delmonico. 2 cans of mushrooms and that are cut up, stems, and some teriyaki sauce. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this steak up till it's seared on both sides. Then I'm going to add the mushrooms, heat them up, and then finally add the teriyaki sauce. So I'll be back and see what happens. As you can see, I've seared the steak on one side. I'm searing on the other now. And in a few, I will be adding the mushrooms, heat them up, and then add the teriyaki sauce on top of that. And we'll see how it looks. See right back? As you can see, I've added the mushrooms. Going to heat them up. Steak is nice and tender. Stir these up to get them nice and even heat. I don't like to trim all the fat off my steaks. I leave some right there, you can see. Getting nice and translucent, nice and tender. Keep it ready. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to add the teriyaki sauce. As you can see, I've removed the steak. Now I'm heating up the mushrooms, caramelizing them really well. Let the sauce caramelize. Oh, that looks really good, really good. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm going to serve them up. Be right back. And here you are, folks. 16 to 18 ounce Delmonico steak, sauteed mushrooms in teriyaki sauce with garlic cheese toast, and a nice glass of Beringer Moscato wine. Bon appetit.